In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Xero. This quick and easy process will help you manage your accounts more efficiently and ensure you maintain accurate financial records. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account and then head over to the Sales section. Once you're there, look for and click on Invoices. This section holds all your sales transactions, making it a vital part of managing your finances effectively. Within the Invoices area, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New Credit Note. Clicking here is your starting point for creating a new credit note. Now that you're in the credit note creation area, the first thing you'll want to do is enter the name of the customer for whom the credit note is being issued. It's important to ensure the correct account is credited, so double-check that you've selected the right customer. After specifying the customer, you'll proceed to enter the relevant details of the credit note. This includes the date of issue for the credit note, the unique credit note number, and a brief yet clear description of the reason for issuing the credit. This description helps both you and the customer understand the purpose of the credit note at a glance. Next, you'll move on to entering the financial details. Start with the quantity, how many items or services the credit note applies to. Following that, input the unit price. These amounts need to match what was stated in the original invoice to ensure consistency in your records. A key part of this step is to make certain that the credit note is applied to the same nominal code as the original sale. This ensures your accounts stay balanced and accurate. Once you've carefully entered all necessary details, it's time to approve the credit note. By approving it, you are confirming that all information is correct and ready for processing. After you click Approve, Xero will prompt you with a choice. You'll need to decide whether to apply the credit right away to an existing invoice or to leave it unallocated for future use. If there's an outstanding invoice from the same customer, applying the credit directly helps in settling accounts immediately. However, if you prefer to keep the credit handy for the customer's future invoices, you can choose to leave it for later. And that's it. You've successfully created a credit note in Xero. This straightforward process helps ensure your financial records remain clear and your customer relations stay positive by providing professional and precise transaction handling. As always, remember to review your entries for accuracy before finalizing any financial documents. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you find this tutorial useful in your day-to-day financial management tasks.